Hello boys, hello girl from first grade, this is Mr. Lucero and I am here with a new video. This week is very busy, so this video can help you to understand the topic. We have the simple present on page 46. Pay attention, page 46. And we're going to start working. My question is this: do you eat healthy food? Yes, you do? Excellent. What healthy food do you eat? For example, Mr. Lucero eats yogurt, milk, cheese, fruits, vegetables. No, that's me. What about you? Do you eat healthy food? What healthy food do you eat? Now, number one. Number one says, read the sentences and underline the verb in the simple present. Okay? Read the sentences and underline the verb in the simple present. So you have to check and look for the verbs in the simple present. A. We need to eat and drink to stay alive. Need. Okay. Eat, drink, stay. I'm talking about the simple present. Those are also verbs, but they have a different name. Okay. They call imperative, but we're not working with imperative. Okay, remember the simple present. Carrots contain beta-carotene. Of course, contain. Vitamin A maintains your eyesight. Maintains. But a special information. Okay, in this part, not letter S. Chocolates contain antioxidant. Once again, no, contain. But you need to be careful with the letter S. Okay, with the letter S. Here. Yeah, be careful. Because of something is letter S here, no? Give me a second. Yeah, much better. Yeah. Okay. Need, contain, maintains, contains. With S, without. With S, without S. No, here, no S. Here, yes. Okay, let's see. Now it says, complete a short with a correct form of the verb. Eat or eats. Look, with S, without S. No, with S. Give me a second. With S and without S. For example, I eat. Okay, you. Let's put a color here. I and you. Eat. Look at the color. I eat fruit. You eat fruit. There is no problem. Okay. We, you, and they eat fruit. We eat fruit, you eat fruit, they eat fruit. There is no problem here. Now, let's continue with the next one. He, she, eat. No, it's not orange. It's blue. He eats fruit. She eats fruit. It eats fruit. That is the idea. Okay, mister. So, when you use he, she, it, you add letter S? Exactly. Let's see. Look at the sentences in activity 1 and 2. Okay, activity 1 and 2. Perfect. What is the difference about he, she, it form? I told you we add letter S. No, we add. The answer here is we add letter S. And also, this is called the third person in English. That is the answer. Now, let's see if you understand the topic. Underline the correct word. My brother. My brother. My brother. My brother is L. He. My brother eats strawberries every day. Strawberries. In plural here. Strawberries help or helps you to stay healthy. Help. Why mister? Because strawberries, they. In singular, strawberry with letter Y here with letter S, but it's plural. They contains vitamin C. Of course, contain. Your body. Your body needs vitamin C for protection. It's only one body needs. Okay, that's the idea. Most animals produces vitamin C in their bodies, but not human. Animals, plural, produce. Okay, produce. Okay, be careful, look at the video, and you will be okay. The idea for this is practicing. If you practice, there is no problem. The problem is when you don't know because you don't practice. Okay. Number 5. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Use the simple present affirmative. Easy. With S, without S. He, she, it, S. Okay. We eat more than 608 kilos of food every year. We eat. So, equal. Eat here, eat here. She, he, she, it. She likes vegetarian restaurants. She likes. So you write like here, and you add letter S. They, no problem. They cook healthy food. Cook here, cook here. He drinks milk for breakfast. Drinks milk for breakfast. That's the idea, okay? That is the idea. Number 6. Read the excerpts and underline the auxiliary verbs in negative form. So listen. In the first part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is affirmative sentences. In this part, we're going to check the negative sentences. And for the negative sentences, we use auxiliary verbs. And the auxiliary verbs express negative form. So in this case, doesn't, okay, or done. It doesn't help our night vision. Negative, no. If you don't buy pizza in a shop, done. So, Mr. How, what do we use this? Easy. Doesn't or done. Done or doesn't. I'm going to use the same colors. Okay, orange and blue. Pay attention. Give me a second. Yeah, pay attention. Oh, I forgot it. Okay. This is orange. Excuse me. Yeah, much better. This is orange. And this is blue. Don't remember? Orange with S. Sorry, orange without S. No S. Blue with F. Okay. He, she, it, blue. So, he, she, it, blue. Orange. Give me a second. I correct the mistake. Orange. blue. Yeah. Pay attention. The idea is this. You use the auxiliary in the correct form. I, you, don't. We, you, they, don't. I don't eat meat. You don't eat meat. We don't eat meat. You don't eat meat. They don't eat meat. No, he eat meat. He, she, it doesn't. He doesn't eat meat. She doesn't eat meat. It doesn't eat meat. Be careful. One one thing is that in affirmative you add letter S. Remember? Yes. In negative is not necessary letter S. Look at this. It's not necessary. Why? Because you're using the auxiliary, so there is no problem. Okay, this is the form. Tip. When we use S in the auxiliary, we don't use it in the main verb. It doesn't drink water. No, what I was telling you. Okay, with auxiliary is not necessary letter S. Look at the sentences in the table. How do you form the simple present negative? The simple present negative. We form the simple present negative using don't or doesn't. No, don't or doesn't. We use the simple present. Sorry, we form the simple present with don't and doesn't. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Use simple present negative. Okay, let's remember. Don't, orange. Doesn't, blue. He, she, I don't eat dairy products. She, she is blue. She doesn't drink milk. Water is it. It doesn't contain vitamins. Some people, plural, some people don't like chocolates. You see? Easy. Just practice. Here, my mom. My mom is ella, she. My mom doesn't cook unhealthy food. My friends, a lot of friends, and my friends don't eat fruit. And that's it. As simple as that. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Use the simple present, then answer that. What is the text about? Okay, let's see. Your body. Your body needs a lot of this. No, it's positive. Negative. It, it. It doesn't. Okay. It doesn't contain fat or sugar. Okay. Doctors. Affirmative. Doctor says. Says? No, but doctor. Doctors say. Drink 8 glasses every day. It, negative. It doesn't give you energy, but it hydrates you. What is about? Of course, the idea for this one is water. Okay, water. 11. Read the questions and underline the auxiliary verb in interrogative form. This is for our for questions, okay? For questions, or here it says interrogative, and you have two auxiliaries, do and does. Okay, so we're going to check it in the following video. Thank you.